Thutha wa spika wa Senate kurekereria ndereti ya kuhagura munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua utuku wa muthenya wa gatatu thaa 5:12, muthenya wa kana ndereti ino ithiete na mbere na kwihirira, Aira thutha wa uria ungi magitemania uira wao wa kuongerera uritu wa kuhagura munini wa President gukwa Aira atatu matinaigana gwĩkinyia. Aira aria marehitite gutamania uira wao ni gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Arthur Johnson Sakaja, uria kurerikana ari kuraya na mucii Mexico gikaro kia Bloomberg, arari atemania uira wake no ndaigana gwika guo, kuria augite ati Gachagua ni anyararite utongoria wa Nairobi na guthararia uruti wa wira na oho gucogira ngui cia ukabira.
Allow me to draw first quick context about Nairobi, where Nairobi is. Nairobi is in Kenya. For all of you who are human beings, you come from Kenya. The earliest fossils of humankind, Turkana boy, was actually...
With regard to the affidavit of Governor Sakaja Johnston, it was specifically filed in the Senate, an affidavit of a witness that they intended to call. That affidavit has material injurious to the Deputy President. Mheshimiwa Speaker, we were looking forward to cross-examining Governor Sakaja.
Mwandiki wa ndudu ya maminista Mercy Wanjaũ onake ndaigana gwĩkinyia cikaro-inĩ cia nyumba ya Senate, ona thutha wake kwĩhĩta kuruta wĩra wake wĩgiĩ munini wa President kwagarara mĩtaratara ya gũtwarithia na mbere wĩra wa ministry itiganĩte. Oho mũhũri biacara Peterson Jomo Mũcira, mwĩra wa gatatu onake ndanekinya mbere ya Senate kuheana wĩra wake wĩgiĩ ũgũri wa mũkawa wa Olive Gardens, ũrĩa munini wa President agĩtetera tarĩki 8 mweri ũyũ mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri, augire warĩ wa mũrũ wa nyina Nderitu Gachagua, no wakiri wa Gachagua Paul Muite nĩoritie Senate kwaga gwĩkĩrĩra ũira wao nĩ kwaga gwĩkinyia.
All that we are asking is that affidavit be expunged together with the affidavit of Peterson Jomo, who they are not calling now, and also the affidavit of Mercy Wanjaũ, who is not being called. It is not fair to file affidavits containing information allegations injurious to the other party, then ask that those affidavits to remain as part of the record without calling them and availing them for cross-examination. So my application is that the 3 affidavits be struck out.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ndanahota kurugama mbere ya Senate na gwetetera thitango iria thitangirwo thutha wa ndwari ya hinahi. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waithĩra wa Nduati.
Order, honorable senators.